When you see angel number 5555, chaos and confusion are on their way. But trust that this is all part of a greater plan that will lead to a fresh start and a new beginning. This is a sign from your guardian angels for you to keep your faith strong. Welcome this necessary time with open arms and full faith, and you will soon see the light at the end of the tunnel. Chaos and confusion can be scary, but they are only temporary. Remember that you are never alone, and this is only happening so that you can grow stronger and step into your power. What does this mean for the law of attraction? 5555 is a powerful number for manifestation. It signifies that everything you are experiencing now prepares you for your best future. While it may not seem like it now, this is a time of positive change and new beginnings. Don't be afraid to take risks. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Now is the time to embrace your true nature because it leads you to exactly where you need to be. If you've been manifesting your dreams, you may feel disappointed because they have yet to come true. Try to resist the urge to give up. This is a testing period to see how badly you want it. Trust that your hard work will pay off. If you keep your chin up, you will soon be rewarded for your efforts. What does this mean if you're single? If you're single, angel number 5555 is a warning to be careful who you choose to spend your time with. You may be attracted to someone who is not good for you. This person may be charming and seemingly perfect, but they will only bring you pain in the end. Don't let yourself be fooled by appearances. Take your time getting to know someone before letting them into your heart. If you're ready for true love and deep commitment, you must wait a while longer. Resist the urge to fall back into old patterns. Reviving old connections and flames just to avoid loneliness. Remember that this is a temporary phase, but a necessary one for you to grow. If you try to ignore the truth, you will repeat the cycle. Therefore, it's best to face the truth and work through this difficult period. What does this mean for your relationship? If you're in a relationship, angel number 5555 signifies that you and your partner are going through a tough time. You may be feeling disconnected and uncertain about the future. This is normal during times of change. The most important thing you can do is communicate openly with each other. Talk about your fears, your hopes, and your dreams. Only through honest communication will you be able to weather this storm together. It's also important to remember that this is only a phase. You've been through tough times before, and you are likely to go through the cycle of ups and downs many times in your life. The key is to never give up on each other. As long as you keep fighting for your relationship, it will always be worth it. What does this mean for your career? If you're thinking about making a change in your career, angel number 5555 is a sign that now is not the best time. There are lessons you must learn in your current position first. You may be feeling unchallenged and unfulfilled, but don't make any rash decisions. Instead, take this time to reassess your goals and figure out what you want. Making a change now will only lead to more chaos and confusion. Be patient and trust that everything happens for a reason. The right opportunity will come along when you least expect it. What does this mean for your money? If you're worried about your finances, Angel number 5555 reminds you that money is not the most important thing in life. It may seem like it's all that matters right now, but it's not. What's more important is your happiness and your well-being. Don't let money control your life. This is not to say that you should never focus on the money again, mind you. For now, for this brief moment in time, you must let go of your material possessions and focus on what really matters. This is a time of spiritual growth, so use it to connect with your higher self. The answers you seek will come from within. What does this mean for spiritual growth? The true message of angel number 5555 is that you need some spiritual self-care and reflection. You've been through a lot lately, and you're feeling lost. This is perfectly normal. What's important is that you don't give up on yourself. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and start again. This is a time of growth and transformation. But it won't be easy. You will be tested, but you must remember that you are strong enough to get through anything. Trust in yourself and your ability to overcome any obstacle. If you're looking for specific ideas on what to do now, here are a few suggestions. First, you can spend time in nature. Surround yourself with the world's beauty, and let it fill you with peace. Next, connect with your higher power. Whether you pray, meditate, or simply talk to Source, this is a good time to connect with the divine. Third, make sure that you express gratitude for what is going right in your life. It's easy to focus on the negative, but it's important to remember all the good. Finally, be gentle with yourself. You're going through a lot, and you deserve compassion and understanding. Allow yourself to feel your emotions, and then let them go. This is a healing time, so don't be afraid to give yourself the space and time you need. Overall, angel number 5555 means that you should focus on your spiritual growth. This is a time of change and transformation, so use it wisely. Focus on healing yourself and connecting with your higher power. Everything else will fall into place in due time.